Morning children, we were studying chapter number 7, Saudi Arabia, the land of hot sand. In this chapter up to we have learned about the hot desert around the world. Then we have learned about the location of Saudi Arabia. After that we have learned about the topography, climate, vegetation, wildlife and life of the people. We have also learned about the religion and language and dresses of the people. Now we are going to discuss about the economy of this country. So children, previous topics end here that the discovery of oil field is changed the life around the Saudi Arabia. So the economy of the Saudi Arabia is petroleum based. What is petroleum, children? Petroleum is oil, okay, from which our motorcycles, our cars and all and our power plants used to run. Okay, so Saudi Arabia have very big deposits of petroleum under their land. Where is petroleum found, children? It is under the land. We all know that. So the economy of Saudi Arabia is petroleum based. It is the world's leading exporter of petroleum. Exporter means those who are selling things to the other countries. So Saudi Arabia sell petrol को बेचता है to other countries, to India also. India also buying petrol from Saudi Arabia. Okay. So it is the world's leading exporter of petroleum. Its oil field lie mainly in the east along the Persian Gulf. So let us see where is this. So this is the map of Saudi Arabia. This is the north direction, south, east and west. So here is the eastern part of Saudi Arabia, Persian Gulf, and this area have a good oil field around it, around under the land. So here the oil fields are found. So we have seen where is this east coast present and along the Persian Gulf, and you can see the picture of a petroleum refinery given in your book. This is used, they are taking out petrol and refine it, okay, and clean it, we can say. The money earned from the export of petroleum is being wisely used, means very well used for the development and modernization of the country. So whatever the money they are earning from selling this petrol, the government use for the development of whole country, and modernization means they are modern, okay, they are developing modern facilities of the country. In fact, today Saudi Arabia is among the richest country in the world. So it is one of the richest country around the world. Now let's learn the skill for life. The government of Saudi Arabia has aided the process of converting large area of desert into agriculture field. So what their government is doing, you know that Saudi Arabia is a desert area. So their government is trying to make it a fertile area for growing crops. And how they are doing? They have lots of money, children. So they are hiring higher engineering facilities, modern facilities, okay. They are implementing major irrigation project. Irrigation means supplying water, adopting large scale of mechanization, okay, taking mechanical help. Sustained expenditure were made on infrastructure, electricity supply, irrigation, drainage, secondary road system and other transportation facilities. So they are doing a lot of effort to make their country a fertile land, okay, and other transportation facilities for distributing and marketing the produce. Agriculture also flourished in the form of poultry farms and livestock rearing. Poultry farms means where we have rearing cattle and all, okay. So these their government is focusing on now. Let's talk about the industries. So children, what is present there? Petrol. So the main industry of Saudi Arabia are petrochemical industry. Okay. Iron and steel and petroleum refineries, fertilizers and cement. These are the main industries of Saudi Arabia: petrochemicals, iron, steel, petroleum refineries, fertilizers and cement. Then there are some other small scale industry also, like leather, soap, processing food, handicrafts, textile are also present. Small quantities of bricks, tiles, furniture and pottery are also produced in the country, which their people need. Now let's talk about the important cities: Riyadh, Jeddah, Makkah and Medina. Riyadh is the capital of Saudi Arabia. Always remember, what is the capital of Saudi Arabia? Riyadh. Jeddah is an important port. Port is a place where import and export of the goods had done. Okay. Makkah and Medina are very holy places according to Muslim. Many people around the world, especially Muslims, come to visit these two places, as we have learned in previous topics. Riyadh is the largest city as well as the capital of the nation. So it is the largest city also. Makkah and Medina are two holiest city. Holiest means pavitra. The busiest seaport, okay, of Saudi Arabia is Jeddah. Busiest means यहाँ पे बहुत सारा सामान आता है. Okay, a lot of things are coming and sending out of the country. Now let's talk about the transportation. Okay, so you can see a very good airport is developed over here. So you can say that Saudi Arabia have developed a good network system. So let us read. Once Saudi Arabia was most inhabited. Inhabited means वहाँ पे ज़्यादा लोग नहीं रहते थे, वो ज़्यादा develop नहीं था. As much of the nation land consists of desert. Why? Because the land is consist with the desert. But today, many people from all over the world go to Saudi Arabia to work. You have seen around you also many people had went there. This had becomes possible as now the nation has modern means of transport with good network of roadways, railways and airways. What they have now? Good network of transport. The country has developed rapidly over the past few years, and the once barren land has become quite productive. The government of people of Saudi Arabia have intelligently used their resources to develop their country and raise the standard of living and of the common man. So the government of Saudi Arabia work very well around their country and develop their country in good way. See. So you read this chapter and find out the new words. Okay? Bye.